All right, guys, I have something to admit. I've been listening to the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp case for the past 6 weeks. They just ended their closing statements not too long ago. I gotta say, this is the most craziest shit I ever heard in my life. For those who don't know, there's been a defamation case between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp sued Amber Heard for $50 million for her opt for the Washington Post. And then Amber Heard countersued Johnny for $100 million. And that's why this whole case has been going on for the past 6 weeks. And I gotta say, I listen to cases, like I listened to the Trayvon Martin case. I listened to other cases in the past. I gotta say, this is the most weirdest case I heard in my life. Like, you got everything in this case. You got pooping the bed.
The bed, our bed. And on my side of the bed, was human fecal matter.
Johnny getting his finger cut off.
She threw the large bottle, and it made contact and shattered everywhere. Looked down and realized that the tip of my finger had been severed.
Listening to Amber Heard's side of the story while she's literally looking at the jury, making sure they're getting all her story.
Well, the metadata next to it is so that
Ms.
to
Heard,
avoid this
Ms.
sort of
Heard,
confusion.
there is no question pending, and I would appreciate it if you wouldn't be making argument to the jury.
Sorry, I
It's
thought you had
inappropriate.
asked me about it.
So many hearsays, I swear to God.
Could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he'd sustained an injury on one of his
Well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
Next question.
okay.
Some very good witnesses from normal to professional, and some very bad witnesses.
So you're welcome to speculate. I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you.
A little argumentative, don't you think?
Oh, hardly. I find that to be purely logical. Thank you.
No.
And then all that ends with the final conclusion of the whole case. And as of right now, the jury's still trying to make their decision on who won the case. In my opinion, I'm pretty sure Johnny won the case, but I can see a draw in the future if this jury stalls it out longer, because they're like taking in all the evidence, and I feel like the longer this case goes, the more likely is going to be a draw. I doubt Amber Heard's going to win, but the jury may say, F it, no one wins in this case, no one's getting money, which I can see that very well happen. And I gotta say, if I could take away one thing about this whole case, is that if the whole audio tape of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp conversation never been leaked, this could have been a whole different story. It's like very hard to imagine knowing that if the audio tapes never got leaked, would this whole case ever happen? And if it did, will you have more people supporting Amber? Because, you know, we know that she done the stuff that she did based on the audio tapes. That's basically it. I just wanted to state my whole opinion on the whole case. It's been one crazy ride, but hopefully a verdict will come soon, either tomorrow or the next few days. Like I said, if it stalls any longer, then you could see more of a draw than Johnny getting money, but we'll see. We'll see in the future. But that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to keep it short and share my opinions of the case because I feel like this is a very weird case. If you want more videos like this of me just talking about random topics, just leave a like. I would gladly do more of it. I always like talking about topics that are happening at hand, or at least topics I know very, very well if I keep up with. But until next time, I see you later. Peace.